So, hi everyone. Okay, this is the first video for my new YouTube channel, and actually for this new YouTube channel, I actually hope to share with you more about the Hong Kong market. Okay, I believe that most of you should have known that the China market had been badly beaten down. Okay, since last February. Okay, whereby the Chinese government actually cracked down several sectors or several industries. Okay, the most impactful one or the most significant one will be the technology and the educational industry, right? Where the educational industry actually wiped off like 99% of its value. Okay, so since it's February high, since it's February 2021 high. The Hang Seng Index had actually dropped a staggering 26.89%. Right, this number may seem very scary, but we can actually take a look at its long-term trend of the Hang Seng Index, which is quite representative of the Hong Kong or the China stock market. Okay, so the Hang Seng Index is still on on an upwards trend, supported by this yellow trend line. Okay, and over the past 30 years, the Hang Seng Index has seen many ups and downs. Okay, and it eventually is being supported by this yellow uptrend. So as long as this uptrend is still intact, and if you are a long-term investor, or at the top, I believe that there's still a chance that you can break even. Okay, just to be very frank with you, even though in the next few years, or the next 1 or 2 years, we may see a continual downtrend. So let's do a technical analysis of this stock. Okay, so if you were to take a closer look at the weekly closing for the Hang Seng Index, it actually closed quite badly, with a very long big down, near its support level. Okay, and if we were to take a look at the daily time frame, the Friday, this index actually closed at near its low, at the support level. Okay, and this level is actually also supported by another downtrend, a short-term trend line. If this trend line were to be broken, most likely you'll be testing the blue channel, the blue bottom of the channel. Okay, next we can take a look at Hang Seng Tech Index. So the Hang Seng Tech Index over the past year had dropped a staggering 53% from its high. Okay, so if we were to take a look at sorry for the technical, at the index more closely on the daily time frame. Okay, also it had been trading in a downwards channel, and it's actually recently on Thursday actually hit the bottom of the blue channel, and on Friday, 25th February 2022, I actually tried to rebound at the open. Okay, however, at the closing, the sellers managed to sell it off close to its low. So if this bottom of the trend line or bottom of the channel were to be broken, it can be very, very scary for this stock. So next, we can take a look at the HSCEI index, which is the Hang Seng China Enterprise Index. We have been trading in this channel for the for the past maybe 15 years, right? Every time it hit this support level, it's actually being bought out for the next few months or even years, right? However, if we were to take a closer look, we are actually at this support level again. And the way it closed at this support level doesn't seem to be quite nice now. So if this support level were to be broken, we may see a retest of around 64,000 for this index. Okay, take a look at the daily time frame. Also we have been trading in this channel, downwards channel, and currently is at this support level, and it actually closed near its bottom. Okay, so we may actually see a test, okay, of the bottom of the channel. So for some of you guys who are not as familiar with to the Hong Kong market, actually these three indexes are the few largest indexes that we have in Hong Kong. Okay, first will be our Hang Seng Index. Okay, our Hang Seng Index actually is the biggest and largest ETF in Hong Kong, I believe. Okay, and actually features all the largest and most liquid stock in Hong Kong. Right, actually, all the positions are capped at 8%. Okay, to prevent over concentration on a certain level. Okay, so currently there are 64 stocks in this index, and they actually want to actually increase this to 100 stocks. And recently, okay, they are adding two more companies, okay, Lenovo and SenseTime into this index. So hopefully, having more stocks in this index will actually diversify this index and make the returns more consistent. So these are the current constituents of this index. Okay, the biggest being HSBC Holding and Tencent, and also AIA. So actually, I can say that this index is actually very, very concentrated in financials and in IT. Okay, similar to all the indexes in the world, right? Okay, so okay, next will be our Hang Seng Tech Index. Okay, so for Hang Seng Tech Index, it's actually incepted in 2020. Yeah, since its inception, okay, during its inception, it actually rose about 50% upwards. Okay, and now it had actually crashed downwards. Okay, below its inception value. Okay, so this index actually featured the 30 largest IT or tech companies in Hong Kong. Okay, and there are 30 constituents, and these are the holdings. Okay, biggest being Kuaishou. Okay, it's like a TikTok. Okay, TikTok in China. Okay, then Tencent, Meituan, Baba, Xiaomi, Sunny Optical, JD. Okay, these are some of the more common names. So yeah, it's actually concentrated in IT. Okay, next with industrials, consumer discretionary, right? Mainly made up of our China shares, Hong Kong, other listed mainland company. Yeah. Okay, so next will be our Hang Seng China Enterprise Index. Okay, so it actually features the largest and most liquid mainland securities listed in Hong Kong lah. Okay, so it's incepted since 1994, so close to 20 years already. Okay, with about 50 constituents. So these are the constituents. Okay, so CCB will be first. Okay, biggest in this. Then Tencent, Meituan, Baba, Ping An, ICBC. Okay, so the concentration will be also in IT, financials, and consumer discretionary. Okay, so for this video or for this channel, I hope to do a daily analysis on this Hong Kong market and try to improve this channel. So I believe that this first video is not that good, okay, because I'm still inexperienced in this YouTube thing and presenting. So over time, I hope to actually improve my presentation with this channel. So if you were to want to see more videos from me, okay, please help me to like and subscribe so that I can actually grow this channel. So yeah, thank you for spending the last 9.5 minutes listen to me. So hopefully I'll improve over time. I'll improve my equipment, improve my content delivered to all of you guys. Thank you. Thanks a lot.